Welcome. This is how to fix camera not working on Google Meet. So first, if you're having problem with a camera, you could just simply rejoin the Meet, and this mostly fixes the issue. Or what you could try to do is just simply go down below over here and select the camera icon, and just simply select use camera and make sure to allow while visiting the site over here. And after that, you will have a camera. And now, if you want to expand on that, you could just simply go for the arrow over here. And you should be able to go for the gear icon. And here on the gear icon, you could also select different camera. And you will have here the resolution of your preferences. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure you have the right input so you won't have any problems with your camera, or you would just simply go for the gear icon over here and make sure to allow the camera on this tab. There we go. See ya.